Hi, this is Francis Imoy. Thank you so much for being my subscribers, or for those who are still curious and watching my videos but are not subscribing. If you still want to be updated with my lessons in Cebuano, please don't forget to subscribe. All of you are welcome to be part of my community. Um, Actually, there are still few uh, subscribers as of this month of November, because I'm still new in this channel. So I hope all of you will subscribe, or some of you will subscribe to my channel, and we will have a big community later on. Uh, this time actually I'm so busy because I'm preparing for our regional competition this coming December 18 to 25 for our SQA. When we say SQA, it is State Universities and Colleges Athletic Association, actually State and Colleges Athletics Association in the Philippines. We will be having our Sports Olympics this coming December 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, which will be held in Capiz, Capiz, Rojas City, Capiz, or CAPSU, Capiz State University. So we will be having a lot of documents to prepare, since we will not be able to send our athletes without eligibility documents like medical certificate, NSO, birth certificate. We also have waiver, we also have eligibility form, which includes grades, and also OTR, official transcript of records, and we also have other documents. So it's very difficult for us, and specifically we have athletes coming from other campuses, from San Carlos City, Negros Occidental, from Victoria City, we also have from Bacolod City, and other part of the Negros Occidental. So, and not only we are preparing for this screening of documents, we also have coming accreditation for our school, since we submit for accreditation this coming December 2 to 5. So that's why we also have documents to prepare, and as I am also in charge of the student support, it is very difficult for me because these two are scheduled mostly together. So this coming too, I will be preparing also my choir, because I'm teaching in the choir. I'm having a training with my choir, so I will be also conducting this coming too during our opening program for our accreditation. And later on, after the program, I will be going to Capiz for the screening of our documents for our athletes. So I'm so very busy. But this time, because I'm already tired and bored making my documents, it's already late. It's already 11:30 in the evening. So I'm quite tired, because actually how many nights that I'm sleeping late. But before I forget, before anything else, thank you so much for subscribing, and I hope you will enjoy my future videos. And for the likes, you know what, if you hit the like button, it will encourages me, and it will encourages me a lot. Encourages me a lot to do better in making videos, specifically if you watch and like my videos. And if you like also, please share my videos. Actually, I'm trying my best. As of this time, I'm not making any script. I'm not preparing any I'm not planning. I'm not really planning what I'm going to make a tutorial. So anything that comes out in my mind after I put up my camera and sit and face in the camera, that's what comes at in my mind, those are the videos that will be uploaded. So, but later on, after my busy schedules, I will be having a program, a list of topics that will be discussed in the future. So if you have suggestions and comments, please don't forget to leave your comments below. Thank you for watching. Once again, this is Francis Imoy, aka Isco. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.